Hey guys, Oliver here. Welcome back to another video where today we're playing Slime Rancher for today. And basically, we should just hop right into it. This is the first time we're playing it. Well, not really the first, because I kind of already did the tutorial just to get a feel. Yeah, but I didn't go past the coral part. So let's start a new game. Let's call this Oliver's YouTube World. Oliver's YouTube World. Yep. So let's just do a random. I don't know what this is. That looks cool. Hey, that looks like that slime. What else is there? Oh, let's do a carrot for now. So we got adventure, casual, rush. We'll just do live the life of the slime rancher and explore the wonders of the far, far range at your own pace. Confirm. You'll need to purchase a water tank before you can back up fresh water. Okay. 1,000 light years away from Earth, on the planet known as the Far, Far Range, Beatrix the Bee begins her first day as a slime rancher. Yeah, I kind of already did this tutorial with this, but I didn't go any further than that, really. I learned how to, shoot, and we put these guys through here from what I know. Oh yeah, and they produce plorts, which you gotta sell at the plort market. Yeah. Oh, what's this guy? I haven't seen him. Chickadoo. Oh, that's so cool. I don't think these guys would eat that, though. So little and soft, you think they're filled with marshmallow. That's cool. Well, we'll leave this guy out here for now. Hopefully he'll grow up and, okay, he just went under the map. Yeah, look. Oh yeah, you can sprint. So let's give that guy. Also, there's carrots up here. And let's do that. Bam. Bam. Bam, bam. So they're going to eat that and produce plorts, which I can sell for some money. So let's put that in there. And yeah. So that covers the basics. Yep. What's this guy doing over here? Let's grab him. And is this yeah, I don't think I can go in there yet. Oh. The overgrowth. Branch expansion, it says. 1,795 new bucks. Alright. Well, let's put this guy in here. And, what's this? Water tank? Jetpack? 350? Well, I think I'm gonna save up for that. Also, we can use these, I found out in the tutorial, to get more stuff. And I didn't look at this one because I thought I couldn't use it, but it looks like we can get upgrades. Auto feeder. An auto feeder will drop food into the coral at regular intervals. Just remember to keep it stocked. Port collector, airnet, solar shield, music box, and high walls. That's probably gonna be helpful. So let's go explore out in the world. The dry reef. We should probably get some more pink slimes. So let's get some more carrots. That's probably a good idea. So, looks like we can not hold that much. How much can we hold? I don't know. Let's see. Hey, what's this? There's a treasure pod. Star mail receipt? Cassie? Ooh. We're star mailing people, it looks like. So let's go back and collect some more slimes. What's this? Pogo fruit? Ooh, that sounds tasty. The most common fruit found on the range, and some say it's most delicious. Any more pink slimes? No? Oh, yep. Oh, we can't carry that, it looks like. More carrots? I do love me some carrots. Looks like there's nothing there. Rock slime? Oh, hey, a rock slime. Ooh. Oh, can't carry any more carrots. Oh, more pogo fruit. So, I'm guessing that's the most common thing pogo fruit's gonna grow on. What's this? More pogo fruit. Got some rock slimes. Ooh. So, I'm guessing the rock slimes would produce pink plorts? No. Rock plorts? Yeah, that makes sense. So, different slimes have different plorts. We should go properly put this stuff down. Put these slimes down. We have 290. Let's put you guys in there. Whoa, oh. Yeah, okay. We're probably gonna need those high walls soon. Whoa, look what I've got. Wait. Can I get a garden? Yeah, I saw this. Let's get a garden. And let's throw the rest in here. Oh. That's interesting. So, are you guys happy? Let's throw some pogo fruit in there. Probably should get that automated thing without picking up my slimes. Oh, only 40 new bucks. Alright, let's get you guys over here. Oh, where'd he go? Thought he went out of there. Oh, we're already filled. Let's put these pink slimy slimes back. And, can we enter our... Oh, hey, we can enter here. 2 star marls. Rise and shine, Cassie. Hi, V. What's it like to sleep for a whole year? Did you dream? I can't imagine what it's like. 7Z puts you in a pod and then lights out for all that time. Wow. What's the far, far range like? Have you started exploring? Is the air as clear as they say? I bet it's really beautiful. I'm probably asking too many questions. I bet you have a lot of work to do on that ranch. Still can't believe it's yours now. I guess I better leave you to do it and keep it short. Good luck, B. And if anyone can make it out there, it's you. Cassie. Aw, Cassie's nice. So, what's this? It looks like we opened it. Welcome to the far, far range, the 7Z Corporation. Aren't they the ones who put me on the pod to go here? Yeah, the 7Z. Okay. 7Z Corporation. Miss Libby, the 7Z Corporation would like you to welcome to the far, far range. Welcome. And extend our support in your bold new venture as a slime adventure. Support extended. We would also like to request that you exercise caution in your first few days on the range. I can barely read right now. Until you get more familiar with their surroundings. Traveling at night is not advisable. Lately, you should require any additional tools for your backpack or items to make your slime ranching experience easier. The 7Z Corporation would be pleased to provide them to you from the shop located just outside your ranch house. Oh, the 7Z Corporation, providing the tools you need to get the job done for us for a small fee. The 7Z Corporation. Alright, where do I find that? Seems like I can sleep as well, but I don't think I need to right now. So, whoa. What's this? Looks like there's other plorts. Oh, maybe it's because I haven't discovered that yet. And yeah, so that gives me 10 new bucks, like it said on the corner. This gives me 21. Okay, and like that, I'm guessing it shows the price if it's going to go down the next day. So, has this grown yet? No. Okay. Grab this. And put that in there. Get some more cocoa fruit for you guys. They'll probably be more hungry in the morning. Whoa. They're stacking on each other. Get down from there. You're gonna hurt yourself. So let's collect some more of these slime supports. So let's head over here. Let's put these in there. So we got the basic thing going. I'm gonna hold on to these so they don't rot. Yeah, I think they could rot as well. What's this? Range exchange offline. Okay. So, yeah, oh, it turned into a hen. That's funny. Oh, I got it. That's weird. It's like glitched under the map there. That little opening. Alright. What's this? Slimopedia. Alright. Tutorials. Slimes. Resources. Ranch. World. Dry reef. Okay. So, I'm guessing that's our findings. The question marks probably mean the stuff that we haven't found yet. So, let's sleep until morning, I guess. Oh, yeah, these guys are hungry. Oh, no! They're coming over. No, they gotta stick in there. Calm down. Get in there. Oh, no. Coming out. This is bad. We need to get those high walls. Well, at least we're gonna get a lot of ports. Hey, where'd that go? The little you. So, yeah, we're growing it still. So let's put these guys back in here, hen, and some carrots. It'll grow back. You little hungry dude. Whoa. So, oh my god, so many plorts. Alright. Oh no, they're getting out. Oh, guys, do you not like it in here? Come on. Oh, maybe it's because that carrot's stuck in the middle. There we go. You eat that. Ah, this is so hard without picking them up. There's probably a way to get it automated or something. Wonder where that 7Z Corporation thing is. Is this? No, that's the range exchange. I can't seem to find it though. Is it behind our place? Nope. Oh hey, there's pogo fruit here. Guys are getting extras. Extras, extras, get your extras. I see you guys. Still got that rock slime. Oh, it's only 7 today? That's bad. I would like more than that, but maybe we can afford this. Oh, there's nothing over here. What are you trying to get out for? He knows he likes it here. He's just a little grouchy. So, yeah, that's still offline. Let's grab these plorts. Oh. Ah. Probably should get a prow for the rock slimes. Because what would happen if I put them with the pink slimes? We should put them in there for now. Yeah, I don't think anything would happen. Oh wait, does he eat like a certain food? Yeah, because it says in the corner here what they eat. The rock slime, veggie. You eat everything. So, well, good thing we're going carrots. Hey, get back in there. You're not escaping now with my high wall. So let's sell these, and then let's go explore some more. Man, we should really get some extra energy because I cannot run as fast as I could before. And the pink slimes are back. What's this? It's not saying what it is. Whoa. Okay. I don't really want this. Oh. Tabby ornament? Tabby slime. What's a tabby slime? Oh, that's cool. So I'm guessing you can just hang that where you want. So let's take these guys. I don't need their plorts right now because I always can get more back at home base. So let's grab those guys. What I do need is another garden for my slimes. Let's grab 20. Get full up. Yeah. So we're kind of like collecting their poop. Because they kind of like... Yeah, it's kind of like poop in it. Kind of. I guess you could say that. Whoa. Yep, that's a tabby. Okay. It's those stripes, that tail, that wiggle wiggle. Whoa. Tabby Largo? Oh my, Largo. Largo slimes. But how did you turn into that? Did you like eat the pink slime? Wait. I don't get how that happened. No clue what just happened there. Well, we got a tabby slime. So, the other tabby slime kind of turned into... Oh, hey, here it is. Oh, there's another tabby slime. Thank you. Oh, another one. Perfect. Guys are eating. But how did what I'm wondering is how did that turn into that? Well, I should also keep an eye out for secret areas. Well, probably don't want to fall in the sea and drown. Anything? Oh, yeah, I'm probably gonna need a jetpack for that. Alright, well, at least I know that's there now. So, let's go put this with the rest of them, these tabby slimes. In you go. Thora. Okay. Pink slimes. Oh, yeah. They're going to get out of here soon. I just know it. They're planning something. Let's see our star now. Welcome to the Range Exchange. Well, I know what that is. Hi there, Beatrix. The name's Thora West. I'll keep my introduction short on account that we all got work to do here. I'm a long-time rancher on here on the far, far range, and headed the welcome wagon for your local range exchange. The Range Exchange is a network of ranchers just like yourself who are looking to trade what they got for what they need. Slime, plorts, food, whatever. All you need to do is check out the Range Exchange machine daily and be sure to get your trade completed within 24 hours. As more ranchers get added to your network, you should receive a hearty hello from them, so check your inbox. Well, enough jawing. We both got slimes to wrangle. Adios, Beatrix Thora. So, I guess we should go check that out? Okay. Where should I put this? That looks cool. Like a wall of ornaments. Should I put it in the corral? Oh, it doesn't go past the corral. Okay. Yeah, we should put like a wall of ornaments here. So we'll put a tabby one there, I guess. Press E to activate. Help me out here and I'll make sure you get what it's owed. Oh, so she'll give me stuff in return for that. Oh, I kind of don't want to do that. Can I upgrade this like I did with the thing? Oh. Nutrient soil oil? Sprinkler? Grow twice as fast? I'd like that. In a scare slime. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, let's sleep until morning so that grows. Yeah. Let's do that. We're gonna have to run because they're going to all be jumping. Go. See? Oh god, they're going to get out of there eventually. Oh no. Ah. Okay, they've calmed down. Chill out, man. Feed them. Oh wait, these guys eat meat, so... Wait, what the... Wait, how did that... Wait, whoa, what's going on? Wait. Does... Okay, well, I did not intend for this to happen. Well, can I read about this in the Slimepedia? Cause yeah, there's tabby slimes. Oh wow, oh my, there's so many. Largo slimes. Diet. Sources slimes diet. Favorite source. Okay, yeah. Slimeology. Largo slimes are a hybrid of two slimes resulting from a slime eating a plort unlike its own. Oh, so that must mean that you were just a tiny tabby a second ago, and you ate a pink plort, turning you into a largo. Okay, so that makes sense, kind of. But this is, I didn't want them to do that. Okay, well, it's not too bad, I think. Right, I forgot to, ooh, what's the thing here? That rock slime. Here, I guess. Eat that, I guess. Sure. Because they give me more. Let's see what the sales are today. 22, that's pretty good. That's still 7, which is bad. So, let's collect your guys' plorts. Excuse me. Oh, yeah, but the pink slimes are just gonna eat the tabby plorts and rock plorts. Dang it. So, we gotta execute these guys out of here. So, oh, we'll probably have to put them into their own corrals then. That's definitely the most probable answer. Yeah, excuse me. Yeah, how am I supposed to get this without... Did one escape? I could have sworn I just saw one escape. Yep. Come on, give that to me. Move! Trying to collect your poop here. Yeah, we should call it plorts from now on. Oh. Yeah, I don't wanna get near. Did he just stab me? Well, I guess he is a rock guy. So, yeah, I think that's him. Yep, okay. He's spiky. Don't touch him. Yep. These Largos. They're so big. Well, they're probably called Largos for a reason. There we go. You get back in there. And let's go sell these. 274. Okay. Right, how much is that jet dash boots? These highly advanced and frankly fashion-forward boots reduce the energy consumption of sprinting. Ooh, that's good. But I think the jetpack would be helpful. I like the jetpack more. Well, we're gonna save up for the jetpack, I think. Yeah, should I complete this? I don't know. I don't really have a tabby port, though. I don't really want to give you this stuff, so... Wait a minute. 250 Nuba coins. Okay. So, 6 of those carrots and 2 hen-hens? I think that's what they're called, hen-hens. Hen-hens could be found around here. So, ooh! Actually, I gotta feed my slimes. So, oh, excuse me. Oh, I can just take their ports. I'm gonna do that. Excuse me. I'm gonna take all of this. What is that doing up there? There's a pogo fruit tree here. What? Oh! Why were they? They just disappeared. What the? That's not fair. Oh, I want my pogo fruit back. Alright, it's fine. So, let's go feed these guys. Okay. What is that? The tar slime? What do you eat? Oh god. They're all afraid. Wait. Tar slime. Slimes, meat, and rant. Oh god, that's me. I'm just gonna ignore that. Is that bad? Oh my god. Oh no. What do I do? Oh no, I must save my slimes. Pink slimes, come back. I've gotta save them. Oh my god, there's none left. They ate them all. Oh no, it's probably in their name. I can't sprint. I need to get in here. Okay, what do I do? There's something that tells me what the tar does? Get out of here. What do I do? The tar? Ugh, get out of here. I'm gonna throw you over the edge. Oh, wait, he just blew up. Get out of here. Get out. Go. I'm just gonna go to sleep. I need to sleep this off. Oh, 2 more. Star mail. My pet cactus. Victor Humptons. Miss Levy. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Victor Humptons, professional slime rancher, slime scientist, and amateur musician. My understanding is that Miss West has already informed you of how the range exchange works, so I will spare you any further education. Oh, will I be able to talk to her now? Instead, I'll illuminate you on what you can expect from my own request. As a slime scientist slash rancer, I have a tremendous interest in the Lakeform Legion that we share. This vast range with the slimes, my studies often keep me from venturing out on the range daily. And when I find myself short of spectacular specials, I use the range exchange to fill that gap. Don't worry though. I will reimburse you handsomely for your efforts. Good luck in your new adventure, Miss Levy. I look forward to seeing life breathe once again in the former Twiggler's Ranch. Sincerely, Victor Humptons. P.S. I once lost my favorite fiddle while fleeing a feral boom slime. Feral boom slime? What is that? Boom slime? Never heard of that. And feral? What is a feral slime? Its value is only sentimental, but should you find it, I'd very much love to be able to play it again. My pet cactus. About a okay, yeah. I don't really think that it's that important to read that. Looks well. On the bright side, the tar is gone, but so is all of my slimes. Well, not all of them. We still got those guys, which is good, but, so, we're gonna have to get a new coral for those guys. For the other ones, just throw that in there. Feed you guys. Well, that sucks. If possible, please acquire the following for my future study. Oh, wow, that's 750 though. I don't even know what that is. A nightlight slime? Well, we're gonna have to find out in the next episode, because I think that's going to be it for today, guys. I'm just gonna sell these plorts quickly off camera. Well, I'm just gonna do it right now. But that's gonna be it for today. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more, comment down below. Yeah. So see you later. Bye.